Asian Paints is one of the India's leading multinational paint and decor company. Along with manufacturing, selling and distribution, the company also has a digital platform, Color Scheme Pro, a mobile application for design professionals in selecting colors and creating color palette. The existing app lacked intuitiveness and user engagement due to confusing interface. Asian Paints approached us to make the process of the application effortless and its interface user-friendly. As a part of user-centric approach, primary and secondary research were conducted keeping in mind the compatibility with iOS and Android platforms, leading to feature identification, brainstorming, design approach, and information architecture. Paper prototypes were created for initial conceptualization, which were further developed into low-fidelity wireframes. UI ideation was then carried out, developing them into high-fidelity prototype and deriving visual language, iconography, and assets for the application. To add flexibility in the navigation, new feature floating button was introduced to break through mundane linear workflow and enable cross-functionality within the application and allowed easy accessibility of all in-app features. Color spectra is an important feature of this application. Hence, to make color selection process simpler, we added upfront color categorization along with filters. Color spectrum was integrated, which resembles the Asian Paints physical color shade card to match with the digital and the real world. Double tap functionality was added for color selection to prevent errors. Also, access to check more information about a specific color was provided in the color band itself. The color picker feature was redesigned to improvise intuitiveness of the application. User can capture photo through camera or select image from their gallery to make color selection. For quick color selection, auto color pick functionality was introduced, which could also be manually interacted by dragging on the image. Cross-functionality between color spectra and color picker was made possible to enable freedom while creating color palette. With color match functionality made simple, findability of matching Asian Paint shades with other color systems like RAL, Pantone was made easy. To keep users updated with latest color trends, Color Next feature was ranked up in priority. Instead of cumbersome redirection to the website, this feature was added in the application itself for users to explore all the trends and can also add into the color palette. For maximizing the user experience, few more features like option to set the brightness at optimum level was introduced to see true colors. Onboarding screens were added as a guidance for novice users to make them familiar with the application. It also gives users a tour of features and functionality which would assist them in color selection process. For the visual design of the application, more of whites and grays in the UI were used to minimize the impact on color selection process. Dynamic line iconography style was designed to reduce distraction while making the app interactive and effective. The application has become a complete solution to meet users' paint and decor related needs. Since its soft launch, the app has been well received by the industry and it made users' life simple.